In this video, I will show you how to disable Windows 11 login password. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do from your desktop is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click onto the search box and type settings. Then what you need to do is click onto settings. This should come up now underneath best match. And once you've got your settings opened, come across to the menu on the left hand side and click onto accounts. From here, what you're going to want to do is scroll down on this screen and you're going to see a section called account settings. In here, you're going to see an option called sign in options. What you need to do is give that a click. And on the next screen, you're going to see a section called ways to sign in at the top. And in here, you're going to see an option for password. So what you want to do is click onto password. And what that's going to do is display a change button. So at this point, click onto change. And what you want to do first is enter your current password and then click next at the bottom. Now, on the next screen, it's going to ask you to enter a new password. At this point, all you need to do is simply go ahead and leave this blank. So both these boxes and the password hint box. And then click next. Now, by effectively doing this, what it's going to do is disable your password, so you will no longer have to enter that at the Windows 11 login screen. So that is how to disable Windows 11 login password. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.